Hi, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Hacks. Layered hair is great for creating the illusion of length and/or volume. It is a look that is versatile and can be pulled off by just about anyone. Although layered hair is a great choice as a style, it usually requires more upkeep than a basic haircut. Managing layered hair, however, can be simple with a care routine that works best for you. First method. Styling layered hair. Step 1. Blow dry your hair when you plan on styling it. Blow drying your hair will make the layers more noticeable and bouncy. Use a blow dryer on your hair after your shampoo and conditioning routine in the shower. Start drying your hair by flipping it over and going over the underside portion of your hair for a few minutes. Use your fingers to pull lightly at your roots and then move them towards the ends of your hair as you blow dry it. Then, flip it back over and continue until your hair is dry or about 80 to 90% dry. Step 2. Use a boar bristle brush on curly hair. Using the wrong type of brush can leave your hair looking frizzy or messy. If you have naturally wavy or frizz-prone hair, use a boar bristle brush. This type of brush will smooth out your hair. Use this brush like you would any other brush when it comes to styling. Avoid brushing out your hair if it is very curly, as this will only add frizz. Step 3. Use a large ceramic brush with nylon bristles if you have straight hair. To use this brush, hold the brush underneath a section of hair. Then, brush it all the way down, lifting the brush up and out as you near the ends of your hair, as if you are making a C shape. This will add volume and bounce to your hair. Step 4. Apply a volumizing product. Layers are often added to make hair appear fuller, so a volumizing product will add to this illusion. A volumizing product works best on those with thinner, straighter hair, though anyone who has problems with flat hair can use it. Volumizing products often come in a spray, cream, or powder form. Apply the product to your root area with your fingertips and then style your hair as usual. Look for a volumizing product that is made to hold for long periods of time if you have trouble keeping volume in your hair after a few hours of being styled. Go for a volumizing product that also moisturizes if your hair is dry. Step 5. Add curls or straighten your hair. Changing up your style every so often will freshen up your look. If you have naturally curly hair, straighten it every so often. If your hair is straight, add curls or waves to it with a curling iron or texturizing spray. Step 6. Finish with a smoothing serum. Complete your style with a smoothing serum. A smoothing serum will moisturize your hair and reduce frizz, which will keep your layers looking healthier. Apply smoothing serum from mid-shaft to the ends of your hair. Use only a drop or two of serum if your hair is thin and short, but you can use a few drops if your hair is thick and long. Second method. Keeping layered hair healthy. Step 1. Apply a protectant before using heat on your hair. Never apply heat to your hair without applying a heat protectant first. A heat protectant will usually come in the form of a serum or cream. Apply the serum from mid-shaft to the ends of your hair. Then, blow dry or use a heat styling tool on your hair as usual. Step 2. Use a moisture-rich shampoo and conditioner. If your hair is damaged, then use a moisture-rich shampoo and conditioner on your hair every other day or a few times a week, depending on how often you wash your hair. Look for a moisture-rich shampoo that is made for the texture of your hair. Keep in mind that the type of shampoo and conditioner you use depends on your hair type. For example, if your hair is curly, look for a shampoo and conditioner made for curly hair. Try to avoid shampoos that contain sulfates, which can be harsh on your hair. Step 3. Apply a deep conditioner once a week. A deep conditioner will condition your hair more thoroughly than a conditioner that is meant for regular use. Apply a deep conditioner from mid-shaft to the ends of your hair. Leave it on between 5 and 30 minutes, depending on the instructions given on the label. Repeat the process once a week. Step 4. Avoid using heat products daily. Daily use of heat styling products may end up seriously damaging your hair, which will leave your layers looking fried. Blow drying and the occasional use of a heat styling tools, like a straightener or curling iron, is okay with the use of a heat protectant, but try to avoid the daily use of heat. If you do need to style your hair with heat, limit your use of daily heat to blow drying with a heat protectant. Try using some heat-free styling methods if you are trying to reduce the chances of damaging your hair from heat. Third method. Freshening up the look. Step 1. Trim your hair every 6 weeks. Layers can quickly lose depth and definition. Split ends are also more apparent with layers, so frequent trims are important. Schedule a trim with your stylist at least every 6 weeks, but you can trim your hair more or less frequently, depending on your type of hair. If your hair grows very fast, you may want to get a trim every 4 weeks. Step 2. Enhance the look with color or highlights. Adding color or highlights can freshen up your look and make your layers more obvious. Go for subtle highlights if you don't want a dramatic change. Ombre is a good option if you want a more dramatic look, but it can be difficult to pull off if you have lots of layers. Also, don't dye your hair too often, since it supports the grown-out look. Step 3. Accentuate your style with bangs. You can make your layered hair appear bolder with blunt bangs. Or, you can go for a softer look with longer, wispier side bangs. Keep in mind that bangs have to be trimmed often. Step 4. Change up the type of layers you have. There are many different ways you can add layers to your hair. You can try soft, long layers or short choppy layers. If you're looking for a change but want to keep layers, alter the type of layers you have. Go for dramatic, choppy layers or layers that frame the face. Ask your stylist for advice if you aren't sure what type of layers would look best on you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again.